friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Matrox Intel ARC-based LUMA graphics card. So friend, the launch of its new Matrox LUMA series of graphics card with Intel Arc GPUs. The series consists of 3 single-slot cards: the LUMA A310, a low-profile fanless card, a LUMA A310F, a low-profile fan card, and LUMA A380, a full-size fan card. So friend, the Matrox Studio developed the LUMA range to satisfy significant demand in the mainstream graphics market for driving multiple screens with the balance between size, durability, performance for different applications. And the new LUMA series is aimed at high reliability and embedded PC applications in the medical, digital signage, control room, video wall, and industrial markets. So friend, the LUMA A310 card is the only modern low-profile fanless card. The fanless design offers quiet operation and eliminates the point of failure, thereby increasing reliability and extending the card's life. And friend, the LUMA A310 is the perfect choice for anyone needing a small card that fits in a small form factor design. Examples include industrial systems that sit on a table or behind a monitor. And friend, the single slot low profile LUMA A310F card is perfect for applications requiring more performance such as commercial gaming, where casino machines and arcade games require a small card and extra performance to drive video and 3D rendering. And the full-size single-slot LUMA A380 card packs even more performance, more DDR6 than the other LUMA models. In the healthcare market, it can power volumetric rendering in medical workstations. And all three LUMA cards have 4 outputs and can drive 4 5K 60 monitors, and they are compatible with all latest graphical capabilities supporting DirectX 12 Ultimate, OpenGL 4.6, Vulkan 3.1, OpenCL 3.0, as well as Intel's oneAPI for compute tasks and the Intel Distribution of OpenVINO toolkit for AI developments. And these cards also have class-leading codec engines that can both encode and decode H.264, H.265, VP9 and AV1. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.